we got rid of the 13 TL and we got 2017 MDX Tech. So basically what I'm doing is I'm putting in the door lights, because there's a door light in each door. It says the Acura logo projectors that project on the ground. So right now I'm going to show you how to do it in your I think it's 2017 and up Acura Mdx. So this piece just kind of pops out from here, then it comes down, then you click on the tab here, and that comes out. Then you slide the new one in.
Taking pictures?
No, I'm doing video.
Oh, recorder?
Yeah. So right now I'm gonna put this in to the tab. So you might have to push down on these tabs a little just to get them to line up with the inside of here to line up. So right now I'm gonna slide it in. Make sure the tabs go in the inside. Then look on the bottom here to see if you see the light on your hand. That means that it's in and it's working. Then you just take the logo projector and just push it back in, and that's it. You're good to go. I'm gonna make a video at night showing what this looks like, but it's the front that gives you more of the trouble. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do the front now. So the front is a little bit more work. The front, you gotta actually don't be scared, but you have to actually pull the panel, this plastic panel here. It pops out. It has pins. It's really tight, but you have enough space to reach behind and actually reach to it. So the tab comes out here, and then you can always, you reach through the back here to get the tab. This is how you check to see if it's working or not. So as you can see, the lights, hold on, it's not fully on. So I'm going to seat this down a little bit so it'll slide into the slot here, and as you can see, it's on now. So what I'll do is put this back and slide this around through here, slide this up through the bottom, and then you line it up from the back here and push in the tab connector into the housing. It's not the easiest in the front, but in the back it's a lot easier. See, and then you just slide that tab in and then push this up and it snaps into place. As you can see, the logo light is on. You can see it on my hand from here. And then just push the tabs back in for the door. That's how you do the back. So I just showed you guys how to do the front, and I showed you guys how to do the rear. So the rear one also, it's in. I'm gonna make a video for you guys at night. And now I'm just gonna do the other side of the car, and that's it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them. Put the like, share. Like I said before, we got rid of the 2013 Acura TL, and we got a MDX, a 2017. So what I'm gonna do is, I got a video tutorial coming up for, I think it's for the 2017 MDXs and up. It's the door logo light. It's not for one door, it's for multiple doors. So you can have them done, you can do them on this door, on the side doors. It's all 4 doors that have the logo lights. So this is one side, and then passenger side has logo lights too. Let me know what y'all think. I think it looks amazing, it looks awesome. Let me know what y'all think about it. This is the driver's side. The Acura logos. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.